Okay, so I'm in a walkout basement. I'll just show you how we get in here. We got French doors at the back, so we just need some floor coverings down. And then the driveway was on the right side. You would have seen the air conditioners. We got a step up. Yeah, so floor coverings down. And then our equipment is actually in a utility area. This is kind of the back side. The second floor is the one we're focused on. You can see the humidifier, which is working well. So whatever we do, we'll be remounting this one. You kind of see, just one thing I'm going to point out, you've got this I-beam right here. So that kind of sandwiches us in. So to get a media filter, we've got 4 inches right now. We don't really have any space on this side. And then we've got the water softeners as well. Yes, if you're really good, you can do an offset, but it's probably easier to come back with the base and put it horizontal. I'll show you the other side. Yeah, got the louvered door, so we've got the makeup here coming in. Yeah, front side. We did the larger furnace last year, so we got good height. So I'm going to suggest from the air filter, if we do a full system, we'll just come back with a higher base and go horizontal. I'll get both options, so if you see AC cooling, don't be surprised if we just do that. Mindset's fine, working its way back. If you need to shut off power, we've got 2 panels. Yeah, second floor AC, that's us. That's it, guys.